Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to reset quick add on the Snapchat in 2024. So if you want to do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat and log into your account, and after that you have to click on the friends icon on the right top. Now here you will see quick add option and multiple friends appear here. So simply first method is that you have to swipe it down like this, and every time you swipe it down you will see other friends, new friends, or updated friend list here. Again and again you can do this. The other method is that simply cross these friends from here, so Snapchat will know your interest, or your friend list will be reset. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.